Hello everyone, this is Tom from SSW. Today I'm going to introduce a newly added animation on the Add Note button. Okay, first let's start with the TimePro's homepage and we click Add Timesheet button here to add a new timesheet for today. So how to find this Add Note button? We click Recent Azure DevOps activity here. So here is this button. Okay, basically the pain point is we have this button before, but the text here is too far away from this area. So sometimes user may not notice the text change in the note input box. So we add this animation and indicate the user that there are text change in this input box. So I'll click on this button. You will see things flying over to here, and the newly added text will be selected, and also the highlight in the text box. Also, the item added here will be grayed out. So I can do that again. Also, please notice that even if the item is grayed out, you can also click the Add Again button to add it again. Okay, and for the Commit tab, you can also do the same. But if you click this button, it will only add the commit message into this notebooks. So here it is. Okay, thank you guys. Here is my introduction for the newly added animation to the Add Note button. I'm Tom from SSW. See you guys next time.